Hi friends and welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna teach you English for Today Class 2 Unit-1. So I have done another video of this. It's Lesson-1, okay? You must see it. I'll say the channel's name later when it's time to end the video, okay? So let's move on. Now let's start from greetings. Greetings, introductions and farewells. শুভেচ্ছা, পরিচয় ও বিদায়. So now let's go to the next one. Lesson 2. Introductions. So today we're gonna do introductions. পরিচয় is Bangla. Okay. Now let's go to the next page. So now I'm gonna teach you number 8. Okay. So this is the page we got here. So let's start from listen. Listen and repeat. শোনো এবং পুনরাবৃত্তি করো. So let me say what we are doing here. We are just telling a dialogue, okay? You know dialogues. There's lots of dialogues in the whole world. So dialogues are like saying a question and someone is saying back the answer and the question. Okay, I'll say you that later. Now let's start from here. Fatiha. Hello, Asim. Oh, hey, Asim. How are you today? তুমি কেমন আছো আজকে? Asim. Hi, Fatiha. Oh, hey, Fatiha. I am good. And you? আমি ভালো আছি। এবং তুমি? Fatiha. I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh, আমি ভালো আছি। Thank you. তোমাকে ধন্যবাদ। Asim. That's great. That means besh or darun. Okay? Now let's go to the next line. How old are you? তোমার বয়স কত? Now let's go to the next one. Asim. I'm 8. আমার 8 বছর. Now let's go to the next one. How about you? আর তোমার বয়স কত? Now let's go to the last line. Fatiha. I'm 7. আমার বয়স Okay. আমার বয়স 7. Okay? I was 7 before, but now I'm 8. So let's go to the next page now. Now I'm gonna teach you number B, okay? So let's start now. Now complete the following dialogue. এখন নিচের সংলাপটি সম্পূর্ণ করো. Use your information. Use your name or age in the blanks. শূন্যস্থানে তোমার নাম অথবা বয়স ব্যবহার করো. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the dialogue and I'm gonna use A and B, okay? Just like we got here. Person A. Hello Dash, how are you today? Oh hey Dash, তুমি কেমন আছো আজকে? Now the answer. Hello B, how are you today? Now Bangla. Oh hey B, তুমি কেমন আছো আজকে? Now the down one. Person B. Hi Dash, I'm good and you? Now the Bangla. Oh hey Dash, আমি ভালো আছি আর তুমি? Or you can also say ebang, okay? Now let's say the answer. Oh, hi A, I am good and you? Now the Bangla. ও হে এ আমি ভালো আছি এবং তুমি? Now let's go with the down one. Person A, I am just fine. আমি ভালো আছি. Person B, that's great. You can say Darun or okay, you can say Darun. Now let's go with the next one. Person A, how old are you? তোমার বয়স কত? Person B, I am dash years old. Okay, I must say, did I say this Bangla? Yeah, I have said it. Okay, I am say, okay, I'll say I'm 8 years old. Now, let's go to the next one. Oh, I have been telling the Bangla. আমার আট আমার 8 বছর. Now let's go to the next one. How about you? তোমার কত? Person A. Oh, I am dash. Oh, I am 8. Okay, that's like, oh, I'm 8 too. Like that, okay? So, this is the last and the least one, okay? So, wait for it. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you number C. So, let's start now. Now, in pairs, act out the dialogue. In Bangla is এখন সংলাপটি অভিনয় করে দেখাও. They are saying that you have to make a dialogue and show me, okay? So, I'm gonna make a dialogue and show you. So, imagine that one is your friend and you are talking to your friend like that, okay? So, let's start. Hello, Risha. Okay, hello, Risha. Hello, Suha. Oh, hey, Suha. How are you today? তুমি কেমন আছো আজকে? Suha. Hi, Risha. Oh, hey, Risha. I am fine. And you? আমি ভালো আছি। এবং তুমি? Risha. I am also fine. আমিও ভালো আছি। Suha. That's great. বেশ। Risha. How old are you? তোমার বয়স কত? Suha. I'm 8. আমার বয়স 8. How about you? It's Bangladesh. তোমার বয়স কত? Now let's go to the next one. Risha. I am also 8. Oh, আমার 8 বছরও. Or you can also say, আমারও 8 বছর. So, this is the end of it. So, bye friends, see you in the next video. And if you like to see more of my videos, please like and subscribe. Bye.